All right, 3B Makers here again. We're excited with another product release for the 2018 through 21 Tundras. These are in the limited and the 1794 edition, and then the new 21 Trail edition, as well as the Nightshade. So we have these adaptive inserts that allows us to take your traditional TRD Pro grill lights and adapt them to this grill here. And we're going to be putting the part number of this grill so you know exactly which ones these adapters fit. And it does apply to quite a bit of them out there. So just like with the ones we have for the Tacoma, the simple light insert goes right in. These tabs you push forward until you hear that audible click, and then they're in. We're going to go ahead and attach it. We've attached and inserted already the other three. We're going to do this one. So we're going to attach our cable, and then we have these tabs that we've put in. And all you do is you take those tabs and you line them up with the post, like so. And as it lines up, you want to evenly push forward, and you'll hear it and feel it click in there. There you go. And that's it. And then you have completely adapted, sunk in Raptor lights for the Tundra. We're really excited. We did this for our own personal vehicle, and we're bringing it to market if there's a value for it for anybody else. If you have any questions or have any requests, please reach out to us at 3bmakers@gmail.com. Also keep an eye out for the 2014 through 21 4Runners. We're going to be bringing out our adaptive set for that lineup as well. So thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.